Howdy y'all, Fast Forward 289, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be installing some sun visors that I got from my car. I purchased them off eBay. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to clean them up a little bit, and I'm going to show you how to install them in the car. And yeah, let's get into it. All right, so this is the sun visors we got here. I'm going to go through and just clean them up really good. They're not in bad shape, you know. They're used, they're original. I got them off eBay. And honestly, I probably could have got a new set for about what I paid for these, but yeah, you know, whatever, you know. Live and learn, right? But these don't look bad. I cleaned these up a little bit. I put them on the wire wheel. They're not the prettiest, but they'll work for now. I can always get new rods later. They sell these parts individually, so I could always clean these up and then get new pieces for this and this. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of my window cleaner and spray them down and wipe it off. All right, once we got both of them looking like that, we'll move on to the next step. All right, so what I'm gonna use to clean these up, and excuse my voice, I'm a little bit sick, but so it's hard to understand me, that's why. What I'm gonna use to clean these up with is some Neverdole that you get from the auto parts store. Works great for this chrome stuff. You got a chrome, stainless, aluminum, whatever you want, and it works really well. If you look, I don't think this would be very hard to clean, because if you just rub it with your finger, it's already starting to come back shiny. So this would be real easy to clean, probably, more than likely, hopefully. Some can up here a little bit, and it's like cotton almost. Just take a piece out, and you can tear it, you know, however big of a piece you need. You don't need very much of this stuff. It goes a long way. And when you're using this stuff, as you use it, like this cotton piece will turn black, and you can just like fold it over and use the other good piece. But we can come in here and start rubbing this. After you rub it down really good and get the way you want it, you can get a nice dry towel. I'm using microfiber cloth. And you just want to rub it and polish it, and you can see, look at that. That already looks a lot better. Just want to buff it out really good. Look at there. That's already 100 times better than what it was. Not perfect, but that looks a lot better. I'm gonna work on this a few more minutes. I'm gonna get the other one done, and then we'll come back when I get them both done. All right, so I got them all cleaned up. Don't pay attention to the rust here. You can't really get it off. The chrome is gone. It's just rusted, so it is what it is. But at least this looks a lot better now. It's not perfect, but it looks a lot better than it did. And the camera doesn't really do it justice. It looks a lot better in person. So, and like I said, I can always get new. They make these rods new, so I might order me a new set of rods eventually. But also clean these up too. The little stemple, what do you want to call it? The cleat, or what do you want to call it, to hold the vinyl where they formed it. But yeah, wiped them down, cleaned it up. I got some new ends to go on here, so cause they always dry rot and fall out. And here they are right here. Some I had laying around, a old Ford part number, or new old stock, I guess you'd call it, laying around. And that's it. That's all they are. It's just a piece of rubber. And these are actually because these are kind of old too, actually. They've been sitting around a while. But it's better than what I got, so. Take these, just slip them on here. They should just snap on. Yeah, like that. So they're kind of old too, so don't know how long they'll last, but you know, it's better than nothing. Now I can put them in the car. All right, so luckily in my case, this headliner's already been cut out. It's had sun visors before, but they weren't right, so it's already got the holes. If you don't have the holes on, if you put a new headliner in, then you have to find the holes and all that. But since I already got the holes marked, all I gotta do is put the visor back. So we're just gonna line this up. And this won't go really but one way, because of the way the holes are lined up and all. You know, you can come back and get the bottom one to be easier to get to once you got a couple of them in there. You may find it easier to actually open this up all the way this way to get to it. There we go. All right, that's bolted up. Now all we gotta do is come right over here and put the centerpiece back on that holds it up here. All right, now for this centerpiece here, it's just 2 screw holes right here. This is one that I had. You can see actually it was white and I painted it black just for now to hold it. And then you take your sun visors, clip them right in there like that, and we're good to go. If you find that your stem don't stick out far enough, these will pull out. All you gotta do is just twist them a little bit. Just like so. Alrighty guys, and that's a done deal. And actually I had to turn this around because I had it backwards. I forgot in the cars they face reverse how they did in the trucks. These would face forward in a truck, and in the cars they face back. So, because it was sitting over this before, now it's sitting right there in front of it like it's supposed to. So that's good. Now I got sun visors in the car again. They look good. They work good. They're supposed to. That looks nice. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. I'd appreciate it. And as always, thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.